Tired of guessing how much homes are really worth in your neighborhood? Let's unlock the secrets of Redfin to pinpoint accurate property values, whether you're buying, selling, or just curious. Starting with the Redfin homepage, easily searchable on Google. First, type in the address or neighborhood you're interested in. Redfin's intelligent search will quickly guide you to your desired area. Now, examine the map. Redfin displays properties for sale, but more importantly, it shows the Redfin estimate for off-market properties, a crucial starting point. Click on a property, pay close attention to the details: square footage, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, lot size, and any recent sales history. These are key factors in determining value. Scroll down to the comparable sales section. Redfin intelligently identifies similar properties that have recently sold nearby. This is GOLD. Analyze these comps. Note the sale price, days on market, and distance from your target property. Are the comps similar in size and condition? Finally, explore Redfin's market insights. Look at trends in price changes, inventory levels, and days on market for a broader understanding of the local real estate market. This helps you understand if it's a buyer's or seller's market. By mastering these Redfin tools, you'll have the power to make informed decisions and confidently navigate the real estate landscape.